OMG Roofing Products presents PipeGuard Mini. Managing small rooftop pipes and conduit has never been faster or easier. The ideal solution for every commercial roofing project. Fastest installation in the industry. No tools required. Secures pipe or conduit 1.5 inches off the surface of the roof. Accommodates 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch pipe diameters. PipeGuard Small, also available for pipes up to 2 inches in diameter. PipeGuard units are typically installed every 10 feet and at junctions and elbows, but spacing may vary depending on pipe diameter and application. OMG Roofing Products offers a full line of industry-preferred pipe supports with sizes that accommodate pipes and conduit from 1/2 inch to 6 inches in diameter and configurations for every project.